You guys like that time lapse? I can show you how to do it now because I've been learning. Haha. But today we have an unboxing video. I have my laptop as well because I want to talk to you guys. I want to ask you guys a few questions and I want to hear your opinions. Hopefully they're like deep conversation opinions that we can talk about in the comment section down below. Let's get to unboxing. Got some good stuff here today. Number one item that we see here should be an engine engine intake, essentially, for Vanessa. This is supposed to go over here or over here. Well, one of these is supposed to go on each side. Put your filter. I think I have a better filter than this one. This one looks kind of old, kind of used. And this one just hooks up over there. Got this on Facebook Marketplace. It's an intake fell. It's an original engine. It looks original. Tuned engine. Yeah, it looks pretty original. Bolt here so we can bolt it down. I'm probably gonna clean out the inside because it looks really dirty in there. Probably gonna have to clean it up first before I put it back in. Same thing with these, or I might even go with some red one of these. I always like those JDM, the ones that look like a sponge. I always like those, so I might swap them out for this. But number two, actually, I'm really excited about this part. Oh wow. Okay, a little scratch there. It does look good though. It does look good. Get this out of the way. Yeah, it looks like it just needs to be cleaned up. It looks OEM. Well, here it is. Look at this. It's a cluster. It's actually a WRX cluster, but I like it because it has the speedometer, well, your revs in the middle, and then your speed over here. Because I have the original cluster right now, and it only goes up to 120, but my engine actually goes up to 140 now. Same thing with the revs. I feel like this is gonna really help me. And gas. I need to know how much gas I have. It's gonna be a pain wiring it up. I think they're different pins than the OEM ones that I have in mind. And I was thinking about popping it open and getting like a design for the cluster itself, like in the back where everything goes. So always be cautious when you buy on Facebook, but this is gonna be great once I actually put it in the Subaru. So that's gonna be everything for today's video about unboxing, because I have to ask you guys a few questions. What do you guys think about that time lapse in the intro? I learned how to make that and I was so excited because I found out that my GoPro can actually shoot time lapse. So I'll have to get in the habit of every time I sit down to record or edit in like a public place or at a meet, you know, when I'm walking around, set the GoPro down in like a good spot, just leave somebody there to watch it, or just keep my eye on it so I make sure nobody steals it. But set it up so that people can like see the meet go down, or just like use the time lapse to pass time. And then yeah, intros, let me know in the comment section down below. YouTubers make different intros. TJ Hunt and Adam LC, they don't use an intro at all. They're just like, good morning, let's get the vlog started. You know that this is TJ Hunt or Adam LC's channel, so no need for intros, right? So they don't use intro. Casey Neistat uses text as his intro, and then Peter McKinnon and Gary Vaynerchuk, these are people I subscribe to. I'll have them their channels in the description down below. They use like a montage, a very short 30 to 45 second montage about the channel, and they use that as their intro, and then they get started in today's video. So let me know which way you guys think is the best way to intro a video. I'm gonna be trying different things, so bear with me. I'm gonna be looking for inspiration from different creators, so bear with me. Yeah, I want to get a very good intro that is something I'm very proud of. Music is very important to me because it creates a video or it makes a video. Yesterday I could have had that video done about when we went to the meet a whole lot earlier than I should have. I didn't get to upload it until like 7, I believe, or 7:30, and that was already late. I like to upload like around 4 or 5 or even earlier if possible. But yesterday I had a hard time because I was looking for the right soundtrack to go with the video, so it just took forever. And I just wanted to get you guys' opinion about the music that I've been using. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you have some artists that you recommend, please email me. I'll have my email in the description down below so that we can create better music content. I'm gonna start like organizing all my music that I am allowed to use for YouTube, because YouTube, it has to be essentially royalty-free music that you created, or music that creators are allowing you to use for your video. So that's why music is such a tedious subject on YouTube, because it's something that you have to actually check off a lot of boxes before you can use it. So I'm gonna be challenging myself in creating content without music, just like raw footage, like how Adam LC does it, a lot of how Casey Neistat does it. and a lot of how like different other creators do it. You know, just raw footage where the content is so good that people are there for the content. They're not really there for the music. So that's going to be it for today's video. I just wanted to talk to you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. That's big. I want to have a big community, and I want to hear what you guys think about the videos that I've been creating, and I want to hear how you guys think I can improve on that. So hopefully we can get this sorted out. I want to get, like I said, a different cover, and then like some JDM looking things in the back. That's going to be real fun. And I'm going to be working on some intros, so let me know if you guys like or dislike some intros that are going to be coming up in the next few weeks. And as well as music. You know, I'm gonna not be using music, or I'm gonna limit myself on how I use music so that I can create better raw footage content which will benefit me in the future. So thank you guys for watching. I made a mess on my desk. I have to go to work, but I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Adios.